Welcome back. This is live trading on 7/16/2025. Once again, I'm just going to narrate the way that I normally would for myself. I'm just showing what I normally would do. Well, not just normally would do. I'm showing what I do. So, yeah. Again, it's not for education purposes. It's not. I'm not a trading educator. It's simply just showing real results over time. So my live trading is a very important aspect of that. So this is pretty clean actually today, and just right off the bat, and in my eye, I see this is pretty clean. I think this is London low as well, which would be really, really fucking clean. Yeah. Sometimes when it's this clean, I'm just like I'm like, oh, it's too clean. So, uh, so like the model is very simple. Like this is traded in when 8:30, like specifically 8:30. Yeah, it was PPI. I would watch this after the open, just this M15 high. I'd use that as a barometer for London high still, London low. So the way that it moved was, so let's see, let me watch this again. Price traded into internal range. Oh my god, internal range liquidity. Then move to external range, then move back to external range within the internal range. So it's like that high within a fair value gap. And so this is a key place. You're going to see if it sells off to the time-based lows, I would say. It's very, very simple. I very appreciate it sometimes when the logic is that fucking simple. So daily, I mean, it's just consolidatory. Like, if anything, actually, though, like, I would say, like, what is this? I think that's the previous week's high, isn't it? Or is that previous day's high? Yeah, that's the previous week's high. So that's daily external range liquidity, right? So we go on a daily. Oh my god. Okay. And this is daily external range liquidity down here. I think that's previous day's low. Or is that the low of the week? That's the low of the week. So this is daily external range liquidity. Okay, so price was traded in to that high. So I would say, like, overall, in terms of context, 4-hour bearish H4, or sorry, 4-hour bearish daily. Also potential bearish euro to euro move, H4 euro to, could be ERL move, but like London low move. There's a clear time-based target there. Wow. Okay, let me see something. Did it just traded into the key level? It did not sweep liquidity, so I'll wait and watch for that response to that volume. I can't tell if it's high or low at the moment. Not that much buying above that high, to be honest. Just more of a reason, like, I'm just going to wait. It's creating a fair value gap. I'm going to see, like, how does price respond to this initial displacement. Because that is the level that potential, SMR from. Because again, it traded in at 9:30, right at 9:30, push, change to say delivery. It's very bearish, but it's no sweep of liquidity. And so here, you create a fair value gap, change to say delivery, bearish displacement, order flow. But I need to see something more to confirm that reaction. A lot of selling, lot of selling. So I want to see like, I mean, price is actually coming all the way back up to that fair value gap. Is that a, hold on a sec. Okay, I don't know. Damn it. Kind of is a breakaway gap. Still gonna wait on that. It's kind of frustrating because I could see that just running, but I want to see like some sort of, if this is almost a breakaway gap formed, like in terms of an RDRB, this is not an RDRB though. So I want to see some development of price action, a bullish, right, like a up close, maybe engulfed by down close, something, because I don't have that extra confirmation yet. This is the challenging thing about like sticking to a system. It's not fucking easy. I just want to put that out. Yeah, I'm never gonna make an excuse though, right? It's like I'm here to, like I will follow my system, and over time, if I see data that shows, to change, then I will. I mean, I'm constantly looking at ways to improve and refine, but okay. So this is getting somewhere where I'm like much more interested. So we'll see if this engulfs. RR, I would just put it at that high. I'd actually put it up right here. So this is all alignment. All right. Just be aware of this for a second. Keep it. Okay. Stops right there. Bug on my arm. Okay. So I'm going to just keep stop loss right at this high. Take profit is going to be London low. It's exactly a 2R. See if we get a flush. 22,928.50. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting fucking pissed at Price doing this, but you know, I put my stop loss where it is. In terms of oh, I see, it's news low. Let's did this again. What I was gonna say is put my stop loss like where it's at, and the truth is like price can go, like I put it there for a reason. It's like price can go anywhere in there. and that's a valid movement. I need to check ATR real quick. I just want to see, like, what is this ATR? 286 points. Where's the day begin? Oh, we're definitely in it. 286 points. Hasn't even moved that much. Yeah, that would work. Just gonna continue or what? Is there 10 a.m. news? No. I do need to be in a little bit heavier, to be honest. I think. Let me see. For my risk, I'm being a little light. No, this is appropriate. It's appropriate. I calculated it correctly. Well, let's see if it makes a new low. Okay. This is like the 2R region. I mean, 2R region. I would say just this bottom of this order block, like this is what I would call the 2R region, is between this and London low. So like if price got there, I would manage it accordingly. But in terms of trailing, like I'm not trailing yet, but like I will trail just for purposes of professionalism. Gonna trail to there, because I mean price is moving, or progressing. So, but I'm not gonna go heavily on trailing. It's one of those trades where I'm just like, it would be too easy. You know what I'm saying? That's why just my intuition's like, just like dogging on me. It's just like too easy. But it is the system, so I'm gonna take the trade, and it's the system with high probability. So I put the full risk on, and that's just the way that it goes. It's like it doesn't matter what I think. I mean, it is very clearly a potential market maker model. Everything is aligning, So it's like, is it gonna go? I don't fucking know. I have no idea. I still am getting over that aspect of trading, or getting familiar with that aspect of trading. In fact, I have no idea what's going to happen. It's like when I start making money. I mean, I left a job, right? I left a $170,000 per year job. I would like literally 2 days before I started, I left to go all into my business. It was a very important decision in my life. But it's like, I have a safety net, but it's like, when will I start making money from trading? Like, and I'm going in each day, grinding, reflecting, improving the system. But it's like, when? Like all these things, it's just like the truth is, like, how will I make money? It's like I'm up in terms of these accounts. I'm up still over the past like 2 months. I'm up about like $50,000. That might change today. Could change, Anyway, but it's like that's not money I get paid out. So it's like there's just a lot of. It's always just like the give me certainty, but. So I'm here, and I don't know how this trade's going to play out, and it just sometimes feels like it's like, oh, like this trade dictates my career. No fucking way. No, it does not. I'll learn from this trade like I will any other trade. So. So, in any of these trades where there's this much alignment, I'm going to review my system, but I use a more conservative lens in which I trail. So, let me see. Yeah. Aggressive risk and conservative lens on trailing. That's where we're at right now. So much alignment. It's almost like too much alignment. It's the shit where it's like, just like, I don't know, like, I see this much alignment, and then I'm like, and then it's just gonna like wipe it all out. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how my intuition works. I'm not even gonna lie. There's a lot of selling going on, I think. Let me see. What's the volume? Pretty high volume. Pretty high volume on that. I'm not moving stop loss any more than where it's at right now. Just gonna keep it where it's at. made another progression. Um, I'm gonna trail stops up to this high now, right here. I'm keeping it more conservative lens, but focusing on progression coming in, progression coming out, progression occurring. More progression on this. I'm just gonna trail it to this high right here. Trail it to this high right here. So about 1R. Right, that is that high, right? I mean, I could probably trail it lower, but I'm keeping again more conservative. This is we swept liquidity and that pushed away. That's um, yeah. I will say I'm gonna probably trail to here as well. What was that candles like? Pretty high volume, yeah. What did it trail into the? Oh, no. Yeah, I would not want to see that erased. So. Trade into that 15-minute low. At this point, it's like, it's going to wait for 10. A lot of people did what I did. Like, when the displacement's so big, I mean, this is just a 2R. Like, okay, people are profit taking, sure, but it's like, um, yeah. But like, I'm not, like, I can't take 1.5R off of 1R. There's no way for me to do that. No matter how fucking much I use my fucking brain, I can't take 1.5R off of 1R. It's just not gonna happen. So, it's just something to keep in mind. Sweat that low. I mean, I don't want to see a fucking reversal from it. So, let it do its thing. It's like, stop loss is placed where it's at for a reason. 54. We'll see. Like, I have a feeling if we keep pushing, 10 a.m. might get it to the target. Just want to see, like, I think it was like 1.2. 1.2, yeah. 1.2R. I see this is the 2R region. I just like this wick. A lot of times I just notice price will. Oh, you know what I haven't here. Let me do this. Okay, that's perfect. That's the perfect way for me to view that. So the new thing I'm gonna do is just watch the standard deviations like that of my position, just so I can see at all times. It's like 1.3R. I can't take anything off of. I can't take a fucking 1.5 off of 1.3. I could take 1.5 off of 1.5, but I don't. I don't do that because it's like I'm not trying to just get 1.5R average. I want 2R or higher. So it's just it's a challenge, but you have to work with it. Just gonna let price do whatever the fuck it wants to do. If it wants to fucking reverse and not go to the low, it can fucking do that. Piss me off, but it can do that. It can do whatever it's gonna do, and I'll review it. So if it progresses, I will. It would be logical to move my stop loss. So on this candle, I'll move it to here. It's a little tight. I'm going to let it progress a little more before I do that. I'm just looking at how much it's moved versus where my stop loss is at. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that for a second. Not quite. It's not quite ready for that. I thought it'd go a little further down once it hit that low. Okay. the stop loss. Still is a bit aggressive, I feel like, but oh no, it's appropriate. What did that hit? That's not 1.5R. It's 1.4. Come on, NASDAQ, flush in a bit. Would you do it for me? Would you do it for me? Oh my god. Fucking asshole. Go. Just go. It's not that fucking difficult. It's very high volume on both. Come on, man. Come on, man, really? I'm like predicting the future, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't, I just really, if it is 10 a.m., I always like to see 10 just like flush into the take profits, so it's frustrating to me. But anyway. Oh, I need to just get the fuck away from that for a second. It's getting a little closer, to be honest. Honestly, at this point, I'm just going to leave the stop loss for right there for now. It's about 1.5 R. It's still not enough. It's not how I do it. Right? It needs to be like more than that for me to start taking profit. Let's see if it'll go. I see it just hit that. Nah. These are the wicks that I'm talking about. I suppose that was probably a poor, I don't know. I'm just going to let it be. I'm just getting mad that it's like, just, I don't know. This is just like fucking an annoying, it's annoying trade. I just really like, really, I would be pretty upset if that didn't move closer to TP. Come on, motherfucker. Are you fucking kidding me? Just fucking go. Oh my god. You've got to be fucking kidding me. God damn it, NASDAQ. God fucking damn it. Oh my god, bro. I'm so fucking tired of this asset. I'm not even gonna fucking lie. Fuck! I'm gonna move my stop a little too aggressively. God, I would be so fucking mad. Oh my god. No, I didn't. If anything, I didn't move it aggressively enough, but. Oh my god, dude. This fucking wick. God damn it. I think that fucked my trailing drawdown too. Oh no, it didn't. It's alright. So fucking mad. Oh my god. God damn fucking asshole. Oh my god. You've got to be fucking kidding me. God damn it. Okay, I am gonna get off of this. So, um, the consolidation in the P&L continues, but I will continue to grind outside of the market, and yeah. Can have a run one of these days again. It's been a fucking month and a half since I've basically moved my P&L at all, but to 1 week it was up 50,000, and then I've held it for a month and a half. That wasn't so heavy. This is really, really like so not ideal at all. I mean, fucking about 13,000 was available here. I didn't take it though because it's not how I do it. Like there's just not. It need to go like much further down into this area here to be able to leave a runner while also taking 1.5R off. So, yeah. It's just this fucking BPR whatever thing. Order block. Whatever. I guess I could have just drawn out 2R region wrong is the idea. I mean, oh my god, bro. I don't know. To me, it's just like there's nothing really that, in a way, it's just there's nothing that clear. Like this whole, if I were to have drawn it out, like I'd be like, this whole fucking region is a potential problem area. But anyways, that really fucking pissed me off. I'm gonna get off now and log this trade. And yeah,